Hey, what's going on? I'm Tripwire. This is Metal Detecting Beginner to Beginner, and it is Wednesday, September 10th, and I am basically rained in. We had huge storms coming in all day today, so it's been a pain in the butt. I haven't been able to get out detecting the last 2 days. But flashback to last Monday, I had the day off of work, so I spent a lot of time out in the field, different parts, different areas. Probably did about 10 hours all day, like half and half though, 5 hours here, 5 hours there. Monday evening, I just was to the point where I was like extremely exhausted from being out all the time, doing this every day. When I came home, I just basically just set my gear down, went to bed. Yesterday, I had to do what the parent does, good parent does, parent-teacher meeting, had to go do that, no detecting. Today, while I was at work, I just realized, wait a minute, I never emptied my pockets from the second time I was out on Monday. I have an idea. Why not film it for YouTube and let you all see what I do? Or what I got, I should say. So, we're going to empty my pockets, and we'll see what I got, because believe it or not, after 3 days, I can't even remember exactly what I got. I remember some of the good stuff, but not all of it. So I thought this would be a good time to show everybody what a daily thing is with me. I know why I always wear my vest. I have to have it. So I'm going to start popping stuff up on the table. We'll go through it. I'll show you everything that I found. Now this is only like half the day Monday. This isn't my all-day thing. This is just literally the last, I think it was, maybe it could have been 3 hours. Yeah, the last 3 hours out. So we're going to go through everything and see what it is. I usually keep my stuff over to one side, all my relics and scrap metal and stuff like that. I keep it usually off to one side. So, and I like to keep all my coins, bottle caps, and jewelry over on the second side. And I always have a tendency to go through all of my rusted metal and other stuff first. Then I usually do all my coins and jewelry and everything else second. So, seeing as how I forgot, today's a good day to show everybody exactly what I found. This is the second time on Monday. Let's go through it, shall we? Now remember, this is just one stop. Okay, what do we have here today? This is an average day, basically, that I have. We'll go through each one just quick, fast, and in a hurry. I just got a regular bottle cap, nothing major. I don't know what it is. I didn't, like I said, I just pulled them out of my pocket, so none of the stuff has been cleaned. To me, this actually looks like a Budweiser cap. Seen a million of those. We don't need that. Found this one in the dirt. This is actually extremely hard to even think of bending. I don't know what it is exactly, but, you know, I pulled it out of the ground. I have an idea what it might be, but I'm going to save that one for the incomplete. This here is just a big piece of metal. You know, some of this stuff, again, you will see at the incomplete, but I just want to show you what I find, you know, while I'm out a little bit. So I get a kick out of that. That's pretty interesting. Another little cup here. Straight up scrap metal. No big deal. This looks like just, again, more scrap. Nothing super major at all. You got your washers. I like the washers. Those are kind of interesting. You know, believe it or not, stuff like this will come in handy sooner or later. There's no doubt. Okay, and there's a B Budweiser. Okay, well, forget that. We don't need that. Again, another piece of like little scrap metal. A lot of this is all like I said, just basically my scrap pile stuff that I pick up. You know, some of it looks kind of neat. You got like a regular flat bottle cap. It's kind of cool. I actually found one of these before the rust and everything got to it. Like I said, these haunt me. I find these everywhere. A lot of times in schools, but I don't even know what it is, but I seem to find them all the time. Pepsi bottle cap. I'm a Pepsi person, so I'll tell you why I always grab the Pepsi stuff. Found a little ring here. That's kind of cool. I dig that. It's like a little clamp that used to probably hold down 2 pieces of wire, I assume. I'm taking a guess at that. So that's interesting there. A band clip. I know it's definitely a band clip because I use these all the time when I was working in the lumber yard. Pepsi person. Definitely had to get another Pepsi cap. And the last piece of the scrap area is just, again, like a scrap old piece of junk metal, but I had to save it. Okay, so now we'll go on to the other stuff that's smaller and usually has a little bit more value to it. Except for that. I don't know exactly what the heck that is, but I just grabbed it. It was small and I didn't want to lose it, so I put it into smaller pockets. Pull tab. Pull tab. Pull tab. What do we got here? Oh yeah, pull tab. Another pull tab. Sure, I'm going to pull the tab. At least that one has some color to it to break the monotony. And so you guys remember, don't forget your pull tabs. You know, do some research. Find out how you can donate them to charity. Help the kids, alright? They need as much help as they can get. So, I'm going to put that over there right off the bat. Coinage. Let's do the coins first, what the heck. Again, like I said, these are just out of the pocket. I haven't even cleaned them or washed them or anything yet, so... this one, we'll get to that one later. I'll go back over that one later. This one I actually found while I was walking. It was on the cement, so that was actually pretty good. So it looks like we got, let's see, dime, penny, penny, nickel, penny, another penny, dime, is that penny, and is that penny? Hard to tell. It's probably a penny, yeah. So what do we got, like 5, 6, 7, 35. My math is absolutely horrible in my head. So probably about 42 cents in that area. Anyhow, I'll show you guys exactly how I clean all my stuff off at another time. I just want to do something really good for you, something new for you all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these and take all the coins. Whoops, I hope I had a camera on it. Except for that one. I'm going to find out what that one is. I mean, I don't know if that's a slug or if it's a coin, but I am going to tear that apart with some water and some degreaser. I'm sorry, CLR, duh. Anyhow, I always put my coins up in my little jar here. Now, for those of you that have been watching Metal Detector Beginner to Beginner, the whole series, I thank you all very much. And for those of you that remember when me and Chemical X went over to our first trip over to Lexington, I cashed in all of our coins, showed you about the CLR and how to clean the pennies. Well, since then, this is the amount of coins that I found. So in like less than maybe about a month and a quarter, I found all these coins in just a month and a quarter. You know, as long as you guys stay out there and you keep the detector to the ground and you put time and effort into it, you will be successful. You will find stuff. The last two items that I pulled out of the pocket, I'll put that aside. I found this one at first. It's just like a little metal aluminum star or something like that. And I thought to myself, well, it's like one part. I wonder where the other part would probably be. So I just detected like a half minute more. Boom, found the second part. So now I got, pardon me. Now I got both. So that's cool. I did that. And I guess the find of the Monday afternoon is this little thing. It's definitely a piece of jewelry. It definitely needs cleaning. It did sound. I know it's not gold by any stretch of imagination, but it did come off as gold according to my detector. I don't know exactly what it was or what it could be. It has a little bending thing to it. But once I get it cleaned up, it'll probably look pretty awesome. So, now you guys know what I have in my pockets usually when I go out for a day. So I thank you all very much for watching. Like I said, right now we are under a flood warning. My dad's going in for some surgery, and between school, my son's school and everything, I'm not going to be able to head out as much as I normally do. So everything's going to be kind of limited. Plus, we got Halloween coming up. That's a big thing for me. I will be doing a special Metal Detector Beginner to Beginner Halloween special for y'all, for sure. But as it starts winding down to summertime, into fall, into winter, you know, I do have some winter episodes in mind when I can't dig, so I will be doing those. But I thank y'all for watching. I definitely want y'all to stay tuned. And I'm going to keep doing what I can as much as I can. So, thank you again for watching. I am Tripwire. This is Metal Detecting Beginner to Beginner. Thank you all for watching. Keep it low and keep it slow. And stay out there. Keep the hunt alive. Later.